Assalamualaikum and hi. Okay, this video is about introduction Earth as a sphere. Okay, so what is the term that you must know for this topic? The first one is north, second one south, and the third one is O. What is O here? O is actually the center of the earth. Okay, and the fourth one is what is great circle? Okay, actually great circle is a circle, but the circle passes through the north and south. Okay, and the great circle is actually the biggest, okay, the biggest circle on the surface of the earth. Okay, so for example here, this is one of the great circle. Because why? Because this circle passes through this north and also go back to the south. Okay, one whole turn. Okay, that is why we call it as great circle. And actually, how many great circle on this sphere, on this surface of sphere? 1, 2, 3. Okay, the answer is infinity. Okay, why? Because it can be here also. Okay, then this one I write it like this, dotted line means it cannot be seen, it is hidden. Okay, it might be here also. Okay, passes through the north and south. Okay, and going back to the south. Okay, and then next you need to know what is meridian. Oh, actually meridian is half of the great circle only. Okay, meridian is only half of the great circle, so I write it down, half of the great circle. Okay, and with one special meridian that we call it as Greenwich Meridian. Okay, Greenwich Meridian is the reference lines. Okay, that it will be start from 0. Okay, so now it might be anywhere because this sphere will move around. Okay, so it might be here. Okay, it might be here. So this one we call it as Greenwich Meridian. The value of the Greenwich Meridian is 0 degree. Okay, and between this meridian, okay, there's an angle, and this angle we call it as longitude. Or else, I prefer to draw longitude like this, T shape, because it will tell you about west and east. Or in BM, this one we call as barat, and this one we call it as timur. Okay, so I prefer to remember in BM because T shape, when it's T shape means you will have that timur. Okay, and then the 0 degree will be here. And how does it move? It will move to the left or to the right. Okay, so for longitude, it will involve west and east, barat dan timur. I repeat, longitude is the angle, okay, between the meridian. Okay, it looks like a bird's cage. For example, the location is located at 20 degree east, okay, or timur. So where will it be? Okay, so it might be on your right side because right side will be timur, east. Okay, so maybe it's a location of A, means 20 degree will be here. Okay, 20 degree east atau timur, or else it might be west. Okay, I write down with another pen. Okay, it might be 70 degree of west or barat. Okay, so barat will be on your left side, so it might be here. Okay, so this one will be 70 degree on your left, and it will be 70 degree west ataupun barat. Or else, and diagram means in a sphere shape. Okay, you have to identify like this. Okay, let's say for diagram, you have to identify where is the Greenwich Meridian. Okay, let's say the Greenwich Meridian is here. Okay, you have to know Greenwich Meridian is 0 degree. Okay, and then for 70 degree west, you must remember west will be on the left of the Greenwich Meridian, just like this. This will be the left side. Okay, and this one will be the right side of the Greenwich Meridian, 0 degree. Okay, so for this question, this is Greenwich Meridian, and this one you need that 70 degree west. Okay, I'll change back to purple. Let's say it is 70 degree west, so it must be on the left of the Greenwich Meridian, to the left. Okay, so let's say here, to the left. Okay, so this one will be the 70 degree west. Okay, while for this 20 degree east, okay, I'll change to black because this is black. Okay, 20 degree east must be on the right of the Greenwich Meridian. Okay, let's say it is here. Okay, so how's the angle here? It will show like this. Yeah, so this one, let's say this is the angle. Okay, so this one will be the 20 degree east. East will be on the right of the Greenwich Meridian, while west will be on the left of the Greenwich Meridian. Now, I'll tell you about latitude. Okay, so what is the difference? Latitude will involve about north and south. Okay, for longitude, it will involve west and east. But latitude, it will involve north and south. Okay, so how are you going to write it down, or how you're going to recognize it? Okay, it will be like this. Okay, let's say this is 0 degree. Okay, 0 degree. This 0 degree, we call it as equator. Okay, equator. Okay, then for example, here I have here, okay, I have the circle parallel to the equator. Okay, and this is on the north side. Okay, so how it's going to be read? Okay, the angle, how you going to read the latitude? Okay, it must identify from the equator. Okay, for longitude, you have to refer to the Greenwich Meridian, while for this latitude, you have to refer to the equator. Okay, because the equator is 0 degree. And how you going to read it? Okay, for example here, okay, I'll draw one meridian. Okay, so that we'll know that it is at the same meridian. Okay, the same longitude. Okay, let's say this is B. Okay, so how you going to read this? Going to read this from the center, still from the center, but it is to the upper or to the below. Will be like this. Okay, and it will be at the same longitude. Okay, the same longitude but different latitude. And for example here, B is the reading of the latitude is 20 degree north. Okay, so you know it will be upper because it is north. And I'll give you another example. Let's say A, okay, the latitude is 30 degree south. Okay, how it's going to be? It will be below to the equator. Let's say it is here. Okay, let's say it is here A. So the reading here will be 30 degree south because it is at south, below. Or else I can draw this using T also, but it is T like this. 0 degree will be here. Okay, how to remember this? I just remember one. Okay, for longitude it's involved west and east, barat dan timur. So dia akan jadi bentuk T betul. Okay, T besar. But for this latitude will be T terbalik. Okay, so it will be like this. This will be the north and this will be the south. Okay, so for B it will be from 0 will be going to upper, so this one will be 20 degree. This will be B, okay, because it is north. While for A, okay, I'll use the same ink, hopefully you can understand. And A is 30 degrees south, so it will be below, will be 30 degree from the equator. Okay, so remember for latitude, you must read it from the equator, upper or below. As conclusion, what you need to know is the first one is great circle. Okay, which is circle that must passes through the North Pole and the South Pole. Okay, the second one will be the meridian. Meridian means the half of the great circle. Okay, and the third one is longitude. Longitude will look like a bird cage, or else you can remember this. Love, wound, N. Okay, W stand for west, E stand for east. Okay, or else you can remember another one, latitude. Okay, you can remember lance. Okay, lance means latitude, which have this north and south. Okay, so you can remember either one. And then what you need to remember is the Greenwich Meridian. This is for longitude, and the last one is the equator. This is for the latitude. Okay, that's all. Good luck.